Look at the difference between these photos. Can you believe they were made under the same low light conditions? This is exactly the case. Let's figure out how to optimize your camera settings for low light. Set the camera to manual M mode for full control over your settings. Rotate the mode dial on the top of the camera to M. Increase your ISO setting. Press the ISO button and use the main dial to raise the ISO. For low light, start at ISO 1600 and adjust as needed. Be mindful that higher ISOs can introduce noise. Adjust your aperture. Open your lens aperture to let in more light. Use the quick control dial to set your aperture to the lowest f number available on your lens. Slow down the shutter speed. Turn the main dial to select a slower shutter speed. This allows more light to hit the sensor, but can cause motion blur, so consider how moving subjects will affect your shot. Use a tripod if necessary to stabilize the camera. Enable image stabilization, IS, if your lens supports it, to help reduce the effects of camera shake at slower shutter speeds. Review and adjust your white balance. In low light, auto white balance may not always render the scene accurately. Manually adjust the white balance to match the light source for more natural colors. Take a test shot and review. Look at your shot's exposure and sharpness. Adjust your ISO, aperture, and shutter speed as needed based on the test shot. And that's how you master low light photography with your Canon EOS R8.